So for us, AI has made us more agile because we're able to look up keywords and then populate content really quickly. And I know we talked about how marketing is not the pretty picture people, but being able to optimize our content to be found, it's been a game changer. I mean, honestly, it has it that's the only thing I can think of to describe it because we can do, in AI, we can do like a whole, like full scale campaigns. Like we can, AI can help us to, execute campaign, LinkedIn and everything works together and, our website and everything's just optimized and great. And AI has just been amazing. And I know a lot of people are freaking out because they're like, AI is going to take over the world and we're not going to have our jobs. And AI is as good as what you put into it. The stuff you're getting,
Yes.
the data you're getting, and unfortunately, it's humans that are training AI. We're not perfect.